Hi, this is Mom, guest cooking for Cooking with Dad. Today we're making pineapple cheesecake, also known as pastry shop cheese slices. This is a classic recipe that comes from the Pillsbury Bake-Off competition. For the pineapple filling, combine pineapple, 3 tablespoons sugar, 2 tablespoons flour, 1/8 teaspoon salt in a microwave container. Microwave it for 3 to 4 minutes, stirring occasionally. Once it's thickened, remove it from the heat and set it aside to cool. To make the cheese layer, beat 2 eggs, vanilla, and sugar on high speed until thickened. Add the cottage cheese, cream cheese, coconut, 2 tablespoons flour. Beat it until it's well blended and smooth. To make the crust, combine yeast and 1/4 cup of warm 100-degree water. Let it stand. Cut the butter, flour, and 1 tablespoon sugar together and mix it on low speed until it's pea-sized. Add the yeast mixture, 1 egg, vanilla. Mix it on low speed until a dough forms. And then knead it until it's smooth. To make the crust, roll out 2/3 of the dough for the bottom crust. If you're using a 12 by 8 pan, you would roll it out to about 14 by 10. I'm using a 10 by 10 square pan, so I'm going to adjust accordingly. And then take the remaining 1/3 of the dough and roll it out for the top crust to the size of your pan. Layer the cooled pineapple filling over the crust. Then pour the cream cheese filling over the pineapple. Place the top crust over the cheese filling. Seal the edges. Cover it and let rise until it's light, which takes at least an hour. Bake it at 375 for 30 to 35 minutes until it's golden brown. Optionally, you can make some glaze and put the glaze over the top of the cake now. And then voila, you have delicious pineapple cheesecake.
I hope you enjoyed our guest presenter today. If so, please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel or check out our website at cookingwithdad.net. Thank you.